Hi guys, this is MAREE Collagen Eye Gels. I highly recommend this for puffy eyes and dark circles. It comes in various color packages and the packages is very cute. This is gentle eye patches for all skin types and it is travel friendly. Just open it and you can see how very well the packages are. It is easy to use, just open it and it has non-slip design and the colors are vibrant. They are free from harsh chemicals and irritants. It is safe and effective addition to your skin routine. Just open it and place them under your eye. It has non-slip design so it won't fall down easily. Apply them and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. For best result, you can cool the patches before using them. It is no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone, no mineral oils, and yes, I highly recommend this. Feeling great after using it.